Have you ever wondered why some men, even after turning 60, remain full of vitality, enjoy life, and maintain a warm intimacy with their partners, while others gradually withdraw, lose confidence, and let go of the joy of living? Perhaps you've felt that way too. The body no longer feels the same. Connection with loved ones becomes more difficult, and each morning brings a nameless fatigue. It's not your fault. Aging, life's pressures, and the modern environment have slowly drained your body of its precious energy. After retirement, many men realize they no longer feel like themselves. They lose interest in exercise, feel less desire for closeness with their wives, and their confidence starts to crumble. But if you refuse to give in, you can absolutely begin a journey of recovery. Not through expensive medications, but through natural herbs that have been used for thousands of years. The unfortunate truth is that most men only seek help when the problem has become severe. They hesitate, hide it, and end up sacrificing their health, their confidence, and even their family happiness. Today's video will introduce 4 herbs that have been studied and proven to improve blood circulation, boost male hormones, and naturally restore vitality, helping you not only become healthier, but also live fully and stay connected. Just like the best years of your life. If you find this topic helpful, please share it with your loved ones or someone who may need it. A small action can lead to a big change. I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried using herbal remedies? What matters most to you when it comes to men's health after 60? Now let's explore these 4 powerful herbs and see what might change in your life, starting today. When it comes to restoring male vitality and health naturally, ginseng is a name that cannot be overlooked. For thousands of years, this precious root has been praised in traditional medicine, and today, modern science continues to confirm the profound benefits it offers men, especially those over 60. Have you ever wondered why, year after year, your body seems to be losing its sensitivity, particularly in intimate moments? Many men have sighed in silence as their confidence and emotional connection begin to fade. And although few speak of it, the feelings of emptiness, lack of response, or the long silences between two people are increasingly common among older men. One of the root causes is decreased blood circulation, especially in the pelvic region. When blood flow is no longer strong, not only is sexual function affected, but emotions and connection also lose their natural ease. Ginseng contains ginsenosides, a unique compound that helps stimulate the production of nitric oxide, thereby supporting blood vessel dilation and improving circulation. Studies have shown that regular use of ginseng can enhance erectile function, increase sensation, and holistically restore male vitality. The good news is that everything can improve. When you begin to incorporate ginseng into your routine, not as a miracle cure, but as a form of consistent care, you'll begin to notice positive changes, clearer sensations, quicker responses, and most importantly, the return of confidence and deep, natural connection in your relationship. To achieve optimal results, choose Korean red ginseng or Panax ginseng with a clearly standardized ginsenoside content. Use it daily in capsule or pure extract form, combined with a healthy diet, reduced sugar intake, increased greens, and gentle physical activity to help your body absorb it effectively. Aging does not take away the ability to love or connect. Those things only fade when we neglect our bodies and spirits. Ginseng is not just a root, it is a key that reopens the doors to emotion, presence, and long-lost confidence. And if you're ready for the next step in your journey to renewed vitality, the herb famously known as natural Viagra for its ability to stimulate male hormones will surprise you. Horny goat weed. Horny goat weed, while the name might sound unusual, this is actually one of the most powerful herbs for men seeking to reclaim their confidence and natural vitality. Long used in traditional Eastern medicine, it has now been confirmed by Western scientists to contain icariin, a natural compound that inhibits the PDE5 enzyme, similar to how well-known sexual enhancement drugs work. Have you ever felt that your body reacts more slowly to stimuli that once excited you? Or that intimate moments seem more like a duty than a genuine connection? Many men over 60 have come to believe that this is just normal, that it's part of getting old. But the truth is, It doesn't have to be that way. As testosterone levels drop and stress hormones like cortisol increase, a man's body gradually falls out of balance. The result isn't just fatigue and a decline in desire, it's also a weakening of emotional connection in relationships. Karen in Horny Goatweed acts like a smart coordinator. It helps enhance natural blood flow while also supporting hormonal balance. The outcome is not only improved physical responsiveness, but also greater sensitivity, presence, and emotional connection during intimate moments. Notably, unlike instant solutions, Horny Goatweed works in a sustainable way, supporting the body from the inside. That means instead of working for just a few hours, it helps build a long-term foundation for health, a true gift for those who want to maintain strength and appeal the natural way. For best results, choose a product containing standardized Horny Goatweed extract with a clear Icarian content. It can be taken in capsule form and combined with zinc and antioxidants such as quercetin or maca to enhance its effects. Equally important is adopting a low-stress lifestyle, prioritizing quality sleep, and maintaining a positive, open mindset, because hormones are influenced not only by nutrition, but also by your emotional and mental well-being. You may have doubted yourself, felt yourself slowing down, and assumed that it was simply the way aging works. But Horny Goatweed reminds you that vitality isn't about age. It's about how you care for and listen to yourself. A small change in your daily choices can lead to a profound transformation in both your physical and emotional life. And if you're curious whether there's another herb that helps blood flow even deeper, reaching the tiniest capillaries and naturally enhancing your body's sensitivity, then stay tuned for the next name, Ginkgo biloba. If you're looking for a solution to help blood circulate more efficiently to every tiny corner of your body, even those areas that age has slowly silenced, then Ginkgo biloba is the natural gift you shouldn't overlook. This ancient tree has been used for centuries to enhance memory, increase alertness, and most notably, support sexual health in a safe and sustainable way. Even if your body is still moving and working as usual, do you sometimes feel that something is missing in those moments that require true connection? The sharpness is gone, emotional responses feel dull, or you simply don't feel as ready as you once did. It's not always about willpower or mindset. Very often, it stems from a decline in your microcirculation system, those tiny capillaries responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the most vital areas of your body. Ginkgo biloba works like a silent guardian for those delicate vessels. With its strong antioxidant properties and ability to improve blood flow, it helps enhance circulation to the smallest capillaries, including those involved in sensation, erectile function, and natural reflexes. Moreover, the flavonoids in ginkgo help reduce inflammation, protect blood vessel walls, and improve nerve signaling, crucial factors in emotional responsiveness and physical connection. What makes ginkgo unique is that it supports not only the body but also the spirit. As circulation improves, the mind becomes clearer, sleep becomes deeper, and the body begins to rediscover its ability to engage with life, including intimacy, presence, and a sense of fullness in close relationships. For effective use, choose standardized Ginkgo biloba extract, EGB 761 standard, taken at a daily dosage of 120 to 240 milligrams, divided into 1 or 2 doses. It should not be used alongside blood thinners or right before surgery. Combining ginkgo with other circulation-enhancing herbs like ginseng or fermented black garlic may further amplify the benefits. Age cannot stop you from feeling more clearly, deeply, and authentically. When the body's properly nourished, emotional and physiological responses begin to recover, not through pressure, but through an inner awakening. Ginkgo biloba won't change you overnight, but it will walk with you step by step on your journey back to your true self. And if you're ready for the final herb, the one known as the natural testosterone awakener and a symbol of male strength, resilience, and vitality, then let's explore Tribulus. If you've ever felt like a powerful engine running low on fuel, then Tribulus may be the new energy source your body has been waiting for. This small but potent herb has long been praised for its ability to naturally boost testosterone production, support blood circulation, and restore a deep sense of vitality both physically and emotionally. Have you ever wondered why, in recent years, your body tires more easily, your focus fades, and your desire gradually decreases for no clear reason? Many assume it's just aging, but in reality, studies show that after the age of 60, men's testosterone levels can decline by up to 1% per year, leading to significant changes in strength, mood, and even the ability to connect in intimate moments. Tribulus acts as a natural activator for the pituitary gland and hypothalamus, the centers that regulate male hormone production. When the body is stimulated to produce testosterone in a balanced way, vitality is restored. But beyond that, Tribulus also helps enhance mood, increase muscle strength, boost alertness, and improve emotional regulation. Additionally, it promotes blood flow to the pelvic region, naturally improving erection quality and sensitivity without the pressure or side effects associated with synthetic drugs. What makes Tribulus truly special is that it doesn't force the body to change. It helps awaken the body's own healing mechanisms. The confidence that comes when you feel energized, the presence when you genuinely listen and connect, the resilience in every movement, all of these can return when your hormones are balanced and your blood flows freely. For best results, choose a standardized extract from Tribulus root or fruit containing at least 40% saponins. A typical dose ranges from 500 to 1,500 milligrams per day, divided into 1 or 2 servings. Combine it with an active lifestyle, sufficient sleep, and limited sugar and alcohol to optimize its benefits without needing drastic interventions. You don't have to accept the feeling of being past your prime just because of your age. Your body still holds the potential to recover, to thrive, and to live fully if it's cared for the right way. Tribulus isn't just an herb. It's a reminder that your vitality and strength are still within you, just waiting to be awakened. Now that you've explored the power of this remarkable herb, do you feel it might be the right ally for you in your journey to reignite the man within? Thank you for taking the time to join me on this journey through 4 remarkable herbs, natural gifts that not only support better circulation and hormonal balance, but also help awaken confidence, connection, and the inner strength of the mature man. We've explored ginseng, the symbol of vitality and mental clarity, horny goatweed, the quiet companion that enhances sensitivity and hormonal balance, Ginkgo biloba, the expert in microcirculatory health, and Tribulus, the catalyst for a powerful return of testosterone and masculine vitality. Each herb brings its own unique strength, but they all share one common purpose: to help you reclaim a fuller sense of presence in your body and in your relationships. Now is the time to pause and ask yourself, what did you learn today? Among these 4 herbs, which one resonated with you the most? And where will you begin your transformation? Take the time to reflect, because every journey toward better health begins with awareness and the smallest commitment to change. We are not alone in this path. Many men are out there searching for a way back to themselves, and within a supportive community, even the smallest steps forward are noticed and encouraged. And remember this: it is never too late to start living better, feeling deeper, and loving more completely. Age is just a number, but vitality, courage, and emotional connection are always within you, waiting to be awakened. If you found this video helpful, please consider sharing it with friends and loved ones, those who may also be quietly searching for their own answers. And if you'd like to keep receiving insightful, meaningful, and practical content about men's health and life after 60, don't hesitate to hit follow or leave a comment. Thank you.